Hello everyone, this is the next video in the series highlighting my HO train collection. In this video I'm featuring all my Union Pacific locomotives. I'm not really a Union Pacific guy, but somehow I've managed to acquire 7 of them. We start off with my Bowser Big Boy, number 4016, with monogram electrified plastic tender. I got this a long time ago at a train show. It was a basket case, and I rebuilt it and added every available detail piece to it. It is a tank and it runs very well. The next one is a Rivarossi Red Box Big Boy, number 4006. I got this one in a hobby store, a really great deal. The next one we have a Union Pacific Bull Moose, number 3518. This one is a Sunset Brass that I got in a trade deal. It has a belt drive system that is not very reliable. The next one is a Union Pacific FEF3 844. This is a Broadway Limited Paragon 4. Very nice locomotive. The next one is a West Side Brass that I actually just finished painting. FEF3. I've lettered this one for number 838. It came out rather well, but you could really see how rudimentary these early West Side Brass locomotives were when you put it next to the Broadway Limited. The next locomotive is an Athearn Genesis DDA40X, dual motor, pretty much a beast of a locomotive. And finally we have an ES44. This one is an Intermountain, and it is number 5432. That's about it for this video, and there will be more to follow.